Unani is more about her son. And so for me, having to find that dynamic of studying women who have given birth to the greats and how they navigate that, you know. Ulemo, Dawn, Star were just incredible allies and incredible conspirators when we were shooting. Watching the dynamic here, Dawn. Okay, you know ma, and then Dawn comes through with a croc sack on set, and then it's like, okay, big sister, you know. And also with this tie as well, just like the dynamic between them, and then mina nolemo very organically siyakwazi ukuba bangani, you know, sihlekela, we hang out even outside of set. Hanging outside of set just to build that relationship so that you know, as a shooter, it comes off as organic. You know, but of course, it was really just about how do you tell the story of a woman who has always had her own path. Because we must remember that but there was a constant vision. We need to you know, and having that vision, reminding him of that vision, reminding him it was only mine, you know, at the end of the day. And so I think season 2, I loved the dynamic between Nandi and just the battle over Utu Ubai, you know, and what is the vision of Utu. So having that dynamic and having that relationship was very important to bring it to the forefront, especially on screen, because I think I was calling a man to say maybe of Nandi. And so it was interesting, it was fun, and I can't wait for people to experience it.
I think you both them or Nomzamo that it's very important to get along off set and to be able to be comfortable with each other. The chemistry is natural, and for that I'm very grateful, because these 3 people, we become very good friends. On off set, and we just become crazy, and sometimes when I'm with him, when I'm speaking with him, I forget how old I am, and then I just go. We just talk about all kinds of things, and I'm grateful for those conversations, because that brings me closer to Ulemo, the person, and then by the time I have to be his aunt, then the chemistry, we no longer worry about what the chemistry is like between us when we're on set. It's just an aunt and a nephew, and someone, Mkabai was someone really who was concerned about Islam, nothing else. Are you worthy of Islam? And when she saw that he was, she then became that support structure. And with regards to Unandi, I think this time around, it's very nice because we played very subtly in season 2 for Nomzamo. There's never been that standoff-ish type of thing with them, but it has always been very subtle. But this time around, there's an understanding. I can see you've come far and you've done well, but I am still for Isisha, and I need for him to be worthy of Lesisha, because she promised Ujana Ubabwake that she would be true to Isisha. And when it comes to Umtania, I think Osiami, she is just there. She is a moral compass, because we send and I think every family needs that. And having Usta also as Usta the person, she is very much like that. She's not a moral campus all the time. She does have a crazy goals. It's just that, you know, but her personality translates nicely to her playing Umtania and her being that moral campus and her being that voice of reason. Because Tina Banye Siopumasi, and she's the one who's at yeah.